Based on our background of study, the knowledge of proper storage of fruit, in this case the Mangifera indica or common mango, should be widespread knowledge, not only circulated among fruit vendors. One may ask why this knowledge may prove useful, and it's because it's knowledge useful in everyday living that can help everyday man. Do note, however, that this study may delve not only into effects of improper handling and storing, but will also delve into the reasoning behind the degradation. As to mangoes themselves, the storage conditions used are in open air, in a sealed container with water in the freezer and in the refrigerator. The mechanical injuries tested are bruises, abrasions, both of which are tested in an open air, in a sealed container with a small amount of water, and in the freezer. For the pedantic, we shall assume the temperatures of refrigerator and freezer to be average of 35 Fahrenheit, which is 1 degrees, and 0 Fahrenheit, negative 80 degrees, respectively.
Objective of the study. The main objective of this study is to identify and compare the effects of different storage conditions and mechanical injuries to the senescence of fruit, in this case, the Mangifera indica, also known as the mango. It also aims to delve in the factors concerning the senescence of the fruit, its triggers, and various possibilities of stalling it. The main goal is successfully finding which storage condition stalls senescence in the fruit the most, also including any mechanical injuries the fruit may suffer during transportation. Specific objectives: to be able to compare and analyze the effects of multiple storage conditions and mechanical injuries on fruit, in this case, the Mangifera indica; to understand botanical senescence, to know the triggers of senescence, and to know what factors stall senescence.
Significance of the study. Understanding the nature of the senescence of the fruit is great benefit to everyone, as it allows the individual to understand and completely influence the process. Significantly increase the length of time one may store fruit. It may incorporate into one's life by influencing a fruit's senescence, either prolonging its shell life or quickening its ripening. It also allows any previous experience the individual has of fruit, either ripening quicker or slower in various conditions. This information is simple and basic and can be great benefit to the consumer and the vendor.
This is Anton 2 Mango Decomposition Day 1. Outside environment, it's still the same the day we bought it. Yeah, it's still the same. However, the sealed back in a plastic seal, still the same. No changes, no black spots yet, or sign of the hastening. However, the indoor environment, mango starts to get a little bit dark, yet no signs of hastening. The fridge still stays the same. The fridge with sealed containers stays the same. So they would bought it. Uh, Here comes day 2. Indoor starts black spots as suspected with open air, sealed package. Indoor still stays the same. The fridge, minimal black spots. The fridge with sealed container, no black spots, still stays the same. Outdoor with container stays the same. That's all. This is Anton Gito reporting for Mango Tasted.
Miguel Luis Garcia, and I'm here to talk about the changes in appearance for day 3 and 4. So, in day 3, the one put in the table show signs of rotting. In the one in the refrigerator freezer, it shows a little signs of swelling. Refrigerator, no visible changes, and even in the one put in the water, there is still no changes at all. Signs of little black spots showing. So let's see day 4. Day 4, obvious signs in the one put in the table. No changes or little changes, black spots. No changes at all. The one with the dark put in the dark. In the freezer, swelled. The one mango put in the water, no signs of changes. That's it. Thank you for listening. Bye.
Okay, now we're going to look at days 5 and 6. From what we can see, the control spill has blackened completely at this point, and it has lost significant amounts of moisture, leaving the pill to wrinkle. Otherwise, all the mangoes are, as of yet, unchanged, possibly with the exception of moisture loss, but even then, the samples in the sealed container with water and those in the refrigerator are completely safe from this danger. And that's it for days 5 and 6.
Hi guys, this is Gabriel Josiah Ascension, and today I'm going to continue what happened to the mangoes, but this time I'm going to show you what happened to the mangoes at day 7 and day 8, and that's pretty much it. So let's view the mangoes. Okay, so first off, this is the mango that was put in the table and was left there for 7 days. So this is the 7th day of the mango that's just left out in the open, preferably on top of the table. So this one happened because it's only left alone there. And what we know, to preserve mangoes, we need to put it in a really cold temperature. So that's what happened to the mango that is left out in the open. So next. So this is the mango that was just left in the dark. So as you can see, there are some black marks there. They're just a little bit. They were just put in dark areas. They were inside the container. So what affect these things? The It's because of the polyethylene that is present in the containers. Yeah, it preserved the fruit. So I'm gonna show you the next thing. So this is the mango that was dipped inside a container with water in it. So as you can see as well, nothing much changed since the first day. But as you can see, the water actually turned black. So I'm gonna show you the next. So this is the mango that is actually and obviously the top one in all of them, the top one storage. This mango was left in the freezer, and after 7 days, as you can see, nothing happened. They're still the same. That happened because mangoes, well, most mangoes need at least 40 to 45 degrees Fahrenheit for it to be preserved. If you compare what happened to the one that just left on the table for a normal room temperature of 36 degrees, this one was just left in the fridge for only about 4 degrees, ranging from 4 to 6 degrees. So, and this one was left inside the refrigerator. Yeah, so the picture before was just left in the freezer, but this one is left inside the refrigerator. As you can see as well, nothing much changed, but as you can see also, tiny black marks started to show up. It shoot up because, well, there was no containers with it, and the temperature for the refrigerator, it's not like the freezer. The temperature of the ref was only ranging to 12 to 15 degrees Celsius. So that's it for day 7. Okay, so now we go to day 8. It's still me. So this is the mango that was put inside the container, which is put in the dark. As you can see, unlike before, changed. As you can see, the big black marks started to appear, and just look at it. Compared to what happened to day 7, which is, it looked like only the black marks were small, but this time it became big. So this is what happened to the mango that was just left on the table so this is the 8th day. As you can see, it started deteriorating itself. Started even growing mushrooms inside it. So you can see this thing is about to decompose. So this is the mango that was left in the container with water in it. As you can see, compared to day 7, nothing much changed. Again, the polyethylene is affecting the mango. It's affecting the storage of the mango, and also the water is helping as well. So here's the mango that was left inside the refrigerator. As you can see as well, due to cold temperatures, nothing much happened. Then again, as you can see, at the mango that was left at the freezer, you see that again, nothing changed, nothing happened. Still all looks the same. Now, why does the mangoes inside the cold storage, like the freezer and the ref, why did they all look the same? Well, as you can see, several varieties found otherwise quite suitable for cold storage. showed chilling injury at 40 to 45 degrees Fahrenheit. So what does that mean? It means that those temperatures for the mangoes, like the mango to put inside the refrigerator and the mango as well that is put in the freezer, that the surrounding that they had, it was quite suitable for them. But also, try one thing. Try that, you know that this mango, the mango that was left in the freezer, try to put it out. It freezes inside. I know it's hard as a rock, but try to thaw it. Just let it out in the open. Leave it out there just for one day. And due to the coldness, it will show chilling injury. Yes, as you can see, compare what happened to the one in the freezer. Then try to have it melted and wait for one day. You'll see that everything there is almost black due to chilling injury. And also, why did a mango that was kept inside the dark, inside a container, why didn't it change much? Well, because fruits kept in perforated polyethylene bags or containers, they ripen very steadily. But unpacked mangoes suffered badly from immediate rotting on removal from cold storage. So the mango that happened to be in the freezer suffered. So the one in the containers didn't really suffer as much because of the polyethylene that was present inside the container. So what I recommend to you all is that you should take note of your containers, take note of the surroundings of every mango, and please never skip a day of recording what the mango is, what the mango looks like. Skip one day, and you can see the project will be ruined if that happened. So for my conclusion is that I therefore conclude that the surroundings of the mango and the temperature, the surrounding the mango will affect it. Why? As you can see, what happened to the one in the freezer, it didn't really change as much. You can see also in the mango inside the refrigerator, it didn't really even change. So temperature really affects the mango. And also, for the mango that should be put inside the container, it didn't really affect as much because of the polyethylene that is present inside the containers. So that's all for today. Hope you guys like what we did. So once again, I am Gabriel Josiah B. Asuncion from 9 Lawn, member of Turla Group, wishing you a happy day. Thank you.